The benefits of paying your loan or utang. First, you get the chance to get another loan. Pag marunong ka magbayad, makakautang ka ulit. Second, it builds trust and credibility. Third, it promotes peace of mind kasi walang maniningil or mga hunting sa'yo. Fourth, if you are working outside the country, let's say US and the like, paying your loan timely will build good credit score. Fifth, it can lower down interest rate, so hindi ka mababaon sa utang. Lastly, it saves good relationships and brings back friendship. Kasi kung hindi ka marunong magbayad ng utang, malamang maging kaaway mo yung friend mo dahil magagalit siya sa'yo or maging FO na kayo. Sana po ay makatulong sa inyo ang vlog na ito. Bye!